Right. This is a review of interview that Vikas has given. So we just wanted to review what all answer he has given and what does it really imply. Okay. Now, first question that was asked to him was, how many attempts have you given to SSV and how the circular test? Answer to the first question is correct. 7 attempts, I was conference out and 5 times keynote. Fair enough. I've improved a lot in communication skill in psych test. What he asked is what improvement. So he was not specific here. You should have been specific here on this point. How many SRT? He said very nice. You have answered very correctly. 49 SRT. Now he has not asked you question about how have you done handwriting. So this answer was given without anything, without being asked him. Where was the need for telling him? But during my story, my handwriting was so good, not so good, and so it may have a negative impact. He hadn't asked you the question. Why didn't you answer that question? And then he always said, I have seen through a PIQ and your handwriting is good. So what you are telling is wrong. Then say whether I write fast, then you are trying to justify what you are telling wrong there. That now whenever write fast, my is illegible. Fair enough, but where's the need for it? You unnecessarily got into the muck of talking about this place. Absolutely, there was no need. There were no need talking about getting into. You are supposed to answer only to the extent that is. So this particular question from here to here, it becomes it is all useless from there. Next, because apart from it, have you affected any other improvement? So he is still repeating the same question.
Yes,
what have you done for ASIC test then? Because you do not answer the question, he'll come back here again. And what he has said now, the answer which you have given is totally irrelevant. Because tell me now, say because affect, he says, no, sir. So how can I say no, sir? Until so he has answered this question he asked you have not answered at all, and then he come back, no, sir. Then he is asking again, tell me about what motive. Now this comes one of the CIP, he comes back here, being on the work environment, work question that he has asked for it. What are you asking? Because tell me about your training, advanced training, about your training, advanced and basic, what you learned there and what all challenges you faced. Tell me about your service profile, what duty you have performed, what was the achievements, and what was curricular activity you have participated in. Tell me about the good things that in army and 2 bad things in army. Then now, instead of this, you suddenly you've gone a tangent. You have not answered at all. This particular question is totally irrelevant to the question that is there. What is the first question? First question was, tell me what motivated you to join service. So first part is okay. It motivated because you were joining service. This is okay. I got motivated NCC and unit officer. I was impressed by the decision. Now this particular portion is there. You get motivated not for decision making ability and multi-success. They are just ये added कर रहे हो. You are just बेकार की बातें कर रहे हो.
Sir.
What motivated to join service? आपने service क्यों join किया था? Look and if you want to serve, what was the nation's exam? Anything that you could have talked about it. It is irrelevant to the question that is asked. And multitasking activities, who has asked it? There is no question asked from there. How did you come to a multitasking activity there? And now, after the second question was, in this case, what was the question here? Tell me about the training, advance and training. You have not talked about it at all. It was a training when you had gone as a trainee, as a recruit, when you joined it. That was the question. And what you answered? You answered, I managed everything here, which is totally irrelevant to the question. You have not understood the question itself. You tell me about the training advance. So what is the basic training that you did it? Military training, technical training, and then advanced training that you have gone through for upgrades and courses that you have done. He was asking about that. And what you learned there, where in training, and what were challenges you faced in training, and what the training. What you answer is simply, now I'm learning, they manage things everywhere. I like their planning, so I responsible have leadership skill and I develop leadership skill there. So totally irrelevant answer. It is not at all connected to the question that you asked. And you have not answered, tell me about a service profile. How duty, what all duty performs. Now is simply you come back here. You have not talked about duty, what duty you have doing it. So what are your achievements? What co-curricular activity you participated in? tell me about a good thing in army and two things bad. What you have said, I like their planning, so I'm responsible and have leadership skill, and I have developed leadership skill through various tasks. Also, I do quality job. He's asking, what is your job? What is your job profile? I'm education NCO. My job is to train people on there and make them pass their what was the certificate 1, 2, 3, what we talked to. That is what the answer should have been. And what co-curricular activities? Because I said, then you could have caught what I do co-curricular with the unit. I generally being the AAC NCO. I'm responsible for all the cultural activity. I think then I generally become master of ceremony or I organize things on that. Is how you should have answered from there. And and then you talked about managing classes, and I have also improved my home status. Where's the need of it? So it became selfish. There's no question at all. Along with it, I want her to work, undertake greater responsibility, become an officer. He has not asked you this question at all. From where this question answer has come? कोई relation है? बताओ मेरे को. Is there any relation with these questions?
No, sir.
Then why do you answer that question? Where would the need of asking one? And because so it means you are totally you're self-centered person. You want to know, achieve for yourself. So becoming an officer will not only achieve what I will get, also improve my social status. So it is not you are just wanted so मैं officer बन गया हूँ. It will also bring glory to my parents, so which is irrelevant. He has not asked you this question. Where was the question? अपने पाँव पे you are cut your own feet. There's no way that you can answer this. Then I got enrolled. Now you come back. He is talked about here. Now he got coming. I got enrolled in ASC training college. Now you answer the first question. There was no problem because I was NCC cadet. Question was, what was the question? Tell me about training and advanced and basic. You have not talked about. You simply, I got enrolled as ASC. So have you talked anything detail about the training? No. Then his next question was going to tell me about training, what you learned there. You not talked about and what all challenge you faced. You simply said because I was training with her, so you could have only talked about since I was attending the first part of the military training. Yes, since I was NC cadet, I did not face any problem. Then he came with technical training out. In technical training, I had a graduate around there, so there was absolutely no issue as far as that training concerned. This is how you should have gone about it. I got responsible to deal with troops and this. He has not asked this question. What was the next question was there? What duty have you performed? Now you come back. I am the duty. I am the education NCO of a battalion or a regiment that I have brought there. And what are the achievements? Then you could talk what all thing you have contributed. You have contributed. In my time, maximum of people passed their grade examination and they became happy, which you have told later on. But you have not talked here. What co-curricular activities have compared? Tell me about the good thing you learned about two bad thing about army. Now you have not talked anything about here. I faced challenges. I first got here. Then he talked about I managed during openings register and grievance. ये क्या है? How is it related to the question from there? I managed during opening register and grievance sold register that you are tracking before you join services. Now you got totally mixed up question up. You're mixed up totally in totality. Rather than understanding the what question you are gonna totally irrelevant. I also participate in the symposium NCC. So NCC से लेकर के NCC का क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं उसने. वे देने कर ये जो पोर्शन है यहां से क्या हुआ? ट्रेनिंग इन सर्विस, AEC training, military training, technical training. He's talking about it. Then now he's talking what position you had. Rather than say I got posted, he has not asked which unit have you posted. You answer I got posted 401, 507, all the particular thing duty. Now he come back and said that yes, the first I performed duty of had over and above. I also performed the duty of draftsman and even the PS subject. That is what your answer should have been, which you have talked later on. So your battalion, I performed duty of draftsman. So your duty is I normally being education, and so my duty to improve the educational standard of the troops and let them ensure that they pass their examination so that their promotion aspects improve. And I have been very successfully achieving the same. In my wherever unit I have gone, now large number of people have participated, and that is being appreciated by all. That's what you should have talked about it. So now you have got totally mixed up from there. 83 because I performed duty. So you see, Timmy talker, I perform the duty of education NCO, remain also perform other duty like draftsman. also performed like the PA, and other aspect I was also the PA. That is how you should have gone about it. Then I created a mean caricature. What is the mean really? Tweet about the you as a media cell in charge. What are you doing? I created a क्या करते हो आप?
मीम कैरिकेचर सर, जो मीडिया सेल में
क्या कैरिकेचर किसका कैरिकेचर करते हैं?
जो सब फॉरेन जो भी हमें टास्क मिलता है, जिसका भी जो न्यूज मिलती है, तो उसकी रिगार्डिंग करते हैं
तो
सर।
कैरिकेचर थ्रू उसको होता है यू आर ट्राइंग टू डुप्लीकेट समथिंग, यू आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट सम इंफॉर्मेशन, इजंट इट? जो का पोस्ट करते हो यहाँ पर है.
यस सर।
So you're not very clear what you can note. I stop रखते हैं, उसके बाद आपके यू गेट टोटली यहाँ से यहाँ तक जितना जो एक या ऑलमोस्ट 10 मिनट जो बात की हो, इट इज नॉट टू द पॉइंट. यहाँ से लेकर जो यहाँ तक जो आपका जो काम है वो बेसिकली अनरिलेटेड हो गया. You should have a clear, concise, and crisp. That is what should have been there. I don't know. I like everything in army. यहाँ पर आगे कम है management. It's management, very nice. It's hierarchy, handling the situation, but buddy pair, ठीक है, buddy and care of all that. That is okay, kudeng. And that give me the senior role, and that given by the senior role or everything that I did. I was not able to get leave. So this now you have to what you didn't like about the services. See, then what is the use of telling this? There's nothing. You can't talk either about the services now.
ओके सर।
So now you're talking about, so you didn't get leave, then so that's bad onto it. I took help of the senior for remembering the question. ये क्या हाँ पूछा ही नहीं आपको, why did this question come into play? He has not asked you this question. Irrelevant पढ़ाओ, ये कहाँ से कैसे करके तुम अच्छे आदमी हो, सब कुछ अच्छा था तुम्हारे. Where this question was the worst question that you have answered, and that was the major question. And rest of the thing you have done better as you go. They told me about the left your first is a friend and second salary. You meet you, then you told me to. We have not. यहाँ पर देखो what he has asked you the question है. यहाँ पर the question देखो क्या है. Tell me about good thing आप है. He tell me about your friends. What quality you like to the friends. How you manage your salary. So it means CI के जो total question आपने miss out कर दिए. मिस आउट करने के बाद आपने यहां पर बताया, उसके बाद अगेन ही हैव नॉट कम बैक हियर. वो रिमाइंड देन ही इज रिमाइंडिंग यू हियर एंड स्टिल यू हैव नॉट आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन. He said, my friend is Deepak. He's Deepak. आप know, then you should have talked about it. In my school days, I had a friend in Deepak. As I came into service, I have got many more friends. College के friends हैं. So you got a friend celebrity. Why do you regard them as friends? They have come back to, we have the same views. We look after each other. So those particular reasons have to be given. What reason are you giving? He is inspector and my units are holders. Sokat is my friend because he is good typing. Can it be a friend typing? अच्छा है तो उसका दोस्ती थोड़ी होती है. दोस्ती किसके लिए होती है? एक दूसरे मदद करने के लिए, एक दूसरे
मदद करने
के
के
लिए.
लिए।
ये क्या टाइपिंग के लिए कब उसके दोस्ती हो जाता है क्या?
नहीं सर।
Then why are you telling this? तुम्हारा ऐसे ही तुम अच्छी आदमी अन्य से आपको बर्बाद क्यों कर लिया इसमें, इन सब क्वेश्चन देकर आंसर देकर. ये सब क्वेश्चन आपको बताया गया था. यू रिमेंबर कि वी ऑल दिस यू हैव आंसर्ड वेयर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट इनफ.
यस सर।
Then why do you answer this sub question around there? Last, okay, this portion earlier, yeah, I still recollect you answered this question earlier also. This question, how do you manage your family? This I answered well. There's no problem. Then he talks about what is light AD regiment. He asks what even light AD? Light means not simply you could, rather than telling light means you don't have simply, though you have talked about the equipment here, light regiment marker, they don't have long, as you rightly put, because they have got equipment which can handle low range or low range equipments. 480, that's all. इतना ही करना था. Then you talked about it. That's ठीक है. This is okay. You have answered this question. So why didn't you now this question again badly handled. You're very wrong question. Why didn't you do PG? आपने क्या बोला? नहीं जी मेरे को ऑफिसर बनने के लिए ये काफी है. 12th के मैं क्यों पढ़ूं? क्या जरूरत पड़ गया था आपको लिखने के लिए सब?
ये गलत है.
क्यों तो टोटली गलत कर रहे हो. कोई पास नहीं करेगा इस तरह से. आपका अच्छे आदमी थे. नथिंग रॉन्ग विथ यू. आपके जिसने कुछ बहुत अच्छे सवाल आपने जवाब दिए हैं, लेकिन ये सब जवाब 2-3 सवाल को टोटली क्लियर आपके साथ है. कोई पास नहीं करेगा इसको. आप ही बताओ. माय एम इज टू बिकम एन ऑफिसर, सो द मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड इज 12th only, so why should I study? His question was, I didn't do PZ. Your answer should have been, sir, because of my economic and family condition after graduation, I applied for it. I didn't have time to get into it. And on the service, I got so busy, I didn't find time to fund PG. Yes, I should follow. When time, finding time, I would try and do post graduation. That's the answer should have been.
यस सर, ये गलती थी सर, मैंने रियलाइज
तो
किया।
तीनों गलती, आज के जितने गलतियां सब मेजर गलती कर रखी हो आप लोग, बहुत गलती कर रखा है। नाउ यू हैव बीन विद वेरियस यूनिट, व्हाट आर द चैलेंज यू फेस? दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड अर्लियर, which was अभी आप ये भी जवाब नहीं दिए हो। आई हैव बीन वेरियस यूनिट, डिडंट फेस एनी चैलेंज। चैलेंज क्या था? व्हाट इज इट? What challenge? To motivate people to perform. Your job is what? Education ensure.
यस सर,
So what is the job? To motivate
फॉर
people
द
pass
हायर
their
एजुकेशन।
examination. That's the greatest challenge which I have got it. Because bulk of the people, recruits are people who are there, they are not very well qualified. Their education standard is low. So my main challenge is to ensure that they pass the examination. And why that is the greatest challenge which I've got it, because they don't even find time. They are busy around there. They are posted in various places. And that is greatest challenge is that. Is it not the great challenge? आप अपने चैलेंज, अपने काम के प्रति चैलेंज आपका होगा ना, कि दूसरे के प्रति होगा। आपने क्या लिखा? आई विल मिक्स अप विद द पीपल। क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? क्या लेन देन है इसका?
गलती थी सर, हाँ।
आई हैव बीन विथ वेरियस यूनिट, डिड फेस एनी चैलेंज बिकॉज ऑन पोस्टिंग आई यूज टू उनके तरतीब जान, दैट्स ओके, फेयर इनफ। उनके तरतीब जान के क्या करना? आपका काम, यू आर गॉन एज अ पर्पस, इजंट एजुकेशन एनसीओ की तरफ से गए हो, तो
यस
आप
सर,
अपने काम के चैलेंज प्रति यू टॉक समथिंग एल्स। You have given full context. Again, badly handled this question on that. What are the achievements during your service? Yes, you came back here. You came back here, but इसको यहाँ पर है what are achievement during your service? What is your great achievement? Great achievement in most of the units that I have been there, bulk of the people have passed their examination and they have been
यस
promoted. Is it a great achievement
यस
or not?
यस सर,
So that is what your achievement should have been.
इंक्लूडेड
क्या
सर।
बड़ा खाना ऑर्गेनाइज करना, is it a great achievement?
नो सर।
It's a normal routine that any NC and any NCO will do.
यस सर।
So what until something wrong, as you write, it was learning computer on the system, managing it. Yes, that should have been there. That's it. Now learning the new system because they are ensuring everywhere. So the computerization was the greatest challenge, which I didn't have much idea about it. Now I've mastered it. You could have talked about that as a challenge.
यस सर।
Again, wrongly, badly handled question on that. Next question, you handled it well. Give me more details from there. Very nicely you have gone it. During leave, I and my family visit together, and also that was okay. This question where I feel low, कभी नहीं बोलना. It means that you come on anxiety.
यस सर।
So where is the question of bringing that? बाकी question that you try to answer about the family, fair enough. That was good enough. Now, next question he asked you to tell me about Ava. Yes, rightly. You've done it better. This question is slightly better. Yes, you could have really talked a good thing about it. ABA is a Army Wives Welfare Association, which ensures that certain amount of skill sets are given to all ladies family members who are there, and besides, over and above, all those families who require help and assistance anywhere in the army and anywhere, retired or serving, they are being provided by this. So it's a great service. So you learn about it. आप तो करते रहते हो. तुम्हारा जनरली एजुकेशन एनसीओ ही जनरली हैंडल करता है आपका
यस सर।
देन ये इसको तो बहुत अच्छे से करना चाहिए. यू टॉट, ठीक है, फेयर इनफ, बट इट कैन बी इम्प्रूव.
यस सर।
इट शुड हैव इम्प्रूव. ये सब कॉमन क्वेश्चन है बेटा, किसे क्या करना है. देन क्या है? एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी. ये वो किया. Then it's fair enough. You say adventure. I have not gone into very much adventure. I say I only go adventure. That is okay. Fair enough. That is nothing wrong with the system. You have already told me about the performance, the PA to command the duties. Why didn't you perform the education duties? Then you rightly put that only because 2 and 3 NCOs were there. Now you posted 5, 2 extra there. So that's extra good. That is very nice. That is handled well. Okay. Next, the most exhausting work you've done. What is the best thing you've done? भंडारा. बेस्ट थिंग इन लाइफ के भंडारी करना है तुम्हारे पास जिंदगी में क्या?
हाँ सर, ये गलत कर।
तो क्या गलत क्यों बोलते हो तुम लोग? यहाँ पर कहाँ से आता है? तुम लोग बच्चे क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो अपने आप को?
हाँ ये सर।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलता, यू कांट डैम स्लिप अप। यदि कोई आदमी बुरा है, देन आदमी, आई डोंट माइंड इट हैविंग टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। एक कोई आदमी ऐसा, तुम तो समझदार हो, यू कांट अफोर्ड डू दिस। किसी
ये
को खाना खाना
ये
खिलाना
गलत
कोई
नहीं
बड़ा काम है
है।
क्या?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, ये तो
या फिर
गलत
क्यों
हो
लिखे
गया।
हुए सब?
ये बोल गलती है बोले सर।
Then he said, even if you don't do wrong work and physical fitness, you talk about, yes, sir. I go,
ये
though I'm busy around there, but still find time in the evening when I come back, I do walking and all, do some exercises so that I keep myself fit. And as the PPT, BPT tests are there, where I always pass on this, so I keep myself, otherwise I couldn't do it. So you can't say I don't do any activity.
हाँ सर, ये गलती से निकल गया मेरे से,
सब
तो नोटिस
गलती, सब गलती हो तो बचा क्या रहेगा तुम्हारे पास, बताओ मेरे को।
हम्म।
सब गलती हो जाएगा तो सही क्या होगा, बताओ।
ये वो है सर।
सब गलती हो जाएगा। विकास, टेल मी वो वीकनेस, what weakness you've taken, what you've said, sir, हाँ पर है। Tell me, my friend told me that he tell me about a weakness and your friends want to share. So what is your weakness? तुम्हारी क्या गलती है? As you rightly, because my weakness is communication. First, which I am
हम्म,
trying to prove that you should, the part which you said later on. दूसरा क्या है, weakness क्या है?
हम्म,
आपको स्ट्रेंथ है, वीकनेस बताने की जरूरत है ना।
हाँ
what
सर।
is weakness और क्या है?
वीकनेस सर थोड़ा ये मल्टीटास्किंग बताया सर मैंने यार।
Multiple, no, weakness तुम नहीं है। I have, so that is not the weakness. Multitasking is a habit, it's a good thing. What is weakness?
वीकनेस तो सर ये मैंने तो
Language,
सर।
language communication, yes, okay. And they say you could have talked reading habits. I don't find time to read habits. So that is my weakness. I should improve my knowledge.
यस सर।
So those things should have been talking, ऐसे करके थोड़ा जनरल करके बात करो, कोई फायदा नहीं है।
तो
ओके।
सर उसमें बोला कि टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट वीकनेस अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, तो मैंने सर उसको
और
बोला था कि रीडिंग हैबिट में इंप्रूव करना चाहता हूँ। बोला इसके अलावा बताओ, तब मैंने बोला था सर ये।
तो भाई आप बोलो रीडिंग है, नॉलेज है, जनरल अवेयरनेस है।
हाँ तो तब तब सर ने बोला कि बोला ये कोई वीकनेस नहीं है, ये बोला ये स्किल से, ये आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को मैच नहीं करती, तो इसके अलावा बताओ। तब मैं सब बोला ये सर ये। बोला
और
कि
देखो ऐसा,
नॉलेज।
okay, this particular ask, you asked very correctly. Of Pahalgaon attacker, you handled well. There's nothing wrong there. Industry वाली you talk about. So what India can do is stop out. This ठीक है, okay. Hydrological data जो पढ़ा हुआ, that's okay. And uh, I have had spoken slowly in English, and sometimes 12 times I got forget the question. So now the forgetting the question is a questions about your reasoning ability.
यस सर।
So the problem is nothing wrong with you. You have अपने आप अपने पाँव पे कुल्हाड़ी मारे हो।
हम्म।
You have not done exactly, even इससे बेहतर तो इंटरव्यू किया था वहां पर, इससे बेहतर तो इंटरव्यू किया था हम लोग के साथ।
हाँ सर।
Then
ये हो गया सर
gone
ये।
through total, so there is nothing wrong with you. आप आराम से अच्छे आदमी हो, और unnecessary command you have command attention, anxiety में आ गया। जो irrelevant बात करो, clear,
हम्म।
concise and crisp, तीन सब clear, concise and crisp होना चाहिए।
सर।
टू द पॉइंट बात करो, ज्यादा नहीं बोलना। अपने आप को क्या यू हैव अननेसेसरी पुट योर फुट इन माउथ, अननेसेसरली।
हाँ
There's
ये
nothing you could have gone through, because nothing. नीचे question you have, some question you have handled very well.
हम्म।
It's a conscious domain. I have already told you it is a conscious domain. In
यस सर।
conscious domain, you have to do well.
यस सर।
Okay. Any question now?
हाँ सर, मैं जैसे स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस के रिगार्डिंग था सर, तो सर
आपको
ने बोला।
मतलब that in any case, आप that you can talk about it. That's a separate issue. But it's a very trivial affair. आप
यस सर।
communication लिखा, आपका communication विकसित पड़ा हुआ है। Reading
हम्म।
habits, I don't have reading habits, not it. I have not read many very books. I don't find
हम्म।
time. I'm getting
हम्म।
totally busy around there. Knowledge base
हम्म।
requires general
हम्म।
awareness. They requires though I read papers around there, but it still requires a lot of improvement.
यस सर।
That's how you talk about it, weaknesses.
हम्म। और सर एक
Strength,
क्वेश्चन और।
strength, as far as strength is concerned, I'm a good human who is
यस सर।
ready to help anyone at any time.
यस सर।
So that's the end of it. दो तो वीकनेस बनाना है, इसे क्या पता उसको, कोई लास्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, हर एक से पूछता है।
सर।
ओके, so that is how I've gone through the system. You could have walked through से आराम से निकल सकते थे। ये तो आप अपने गलती से अपने पाँव को कुल्हाड़ी मार, तुमको यू बिन लेफ्ट आउट।
यस सर।
अपने पाँव को कुल्हाड़ी मारो, कुछ नहीं हो सकता। very first question you mishandled it.
यस सर,
You didn't listen to the question at all.
यस सर।
इसी के लिए मैं बोला था आपको अपने जो भी लिखे हो जवाब लिखो। मैंने बोला था ना आपको पहले सबको लिखो।
हाँ सर, लिखा था मैं, बोल नहीं उस टाइम पे नहीं बोल पाया, मैं लिखा भी था सर, मैं प्रैक्टिस करके गया था।
लिखा था, यही यही तो समस्या है, जब तक लिखोगे नहीं पता नहीं होगा, एंड देन अगेन यू विल गो अवे। यू नाउ यू सीन द क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड है, क्वेश्चन जवाब हो नहीं है ना,
नहीं, नहीं
तभी
है सर।
नहीं है तब क्या आंसर मिलेगा।
और सर साइक में भी सर ऐसे वाह, साइक में भी मैंने ऐसे किया, तो स्टोरी कुछ और थी और बनाया कुछ और था भाई, सारी
अरे
चीजें यही
नहीं
आई।
करो बेटा, तुम्हारे पास तो देखो तुम अच्छे इंसान हो, अच्छे आदमी हो, उससे फायदा नहीं हुआ। जब तक परफॉर्म
हम्म।
नहीं करेगा कोई फायदा नहीं है ना।
नहीं होगा सर।
अच्छा आदमी बनने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, परफॉर्म
नहीं
करना
सर।
पड़ेगा, दुनिया के साथ चलना चाहिए। चलो, ये नहीं तो क्वेश्चन।
सर ये जो मैं बोल रहा था, ये एनजाइटी वाला इशू कैसे करें सर, जैसे परफॉर्म
एंग्जाइटी
वाला
अपने
दिक्कत।
आप करना, यू हैव टू गेट आउट, जो होगा होगा, देखा जाएगा।
ठीक।
एंग्जाइटी क्या वर्स होगा, मैंने क्या, मैं आज से वर्स क्राइटेरिया बोलते हैं, मैं फेल होगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
हम्म।
जो होने का होगा, मेरा काम है कर्म करना, कर्तव्य पे आता है, मैं बस से ज्यादा कोई लेना नहीं है। मैं
हाँ सर।
फ्यूचर के बारे में रात, तो ये तो पुरानी तुम्हारी गलती है। यू हैव एंग्जाइटी, पुरानी तुम्हारी गलती है। इसको मैं पहले ही बोल रखा हूँ आप लोगों को।
आप
डोंट
बोला है सर
सपोर्ट,
आप।
जो होगा सो होगा।
हम्म।
आपके हाथ में कुछ नहीं है, होता
सर।
वही जो मंजूरी खुदा होता है, जो चाहता है
सर।
भगवान वही होगा, तो फिर किससे परेशानी है।
होता है सर।
चलो आराम से रखो, देखो, जिंदगी चलाओ, आराम से रहो,
सर।
खुश रहो, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
सर।
ठीक है, चलो बहुत अच्छा लगा, भगवान के
ओके सर।
चित्र से आगे बढ़ो। चलो,
सर।
ठीक है, चलो ओके।
ओके,
बिकॉज जब तक
थैंक यू
मैं
सर।
पढ़ता नहीं हूँ, आई कुंट अफोर्ड टू टॉक अबाउट इट, अदर से हैव टू, हर एक एक शब्द को मैं पढ़कर तभी मैं बात करता हूँ, ऐसे बात मैं नहीं करता हूँ।
नहीं 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 सर, थैंक यू सर, मैं काफी चीजें पता चली, मैं खुद सोच रहा था मेरा सही है, पर आज पता चला मेरे को
चलो
काफी
ओके,
गलतियां की।
चलो बाय।
ओके सर, थैंक
बाय।
थैंक यू सर।